Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Haylou Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do this, just tap or press the side button right here. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the brightness icon. Let's tap on it, and now we can change the brightness by tapping on minus button or the plus button right here. After you're done, just press the side button to go back. And that's how you change the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.